What do windows, archways, and tree branches have in common? In art, they're not just decoration, they're frames. And when artists frame something, they're saying, hey, look right here. Mastering Composition, Episode 5. Framing, How Artists Create Focus. Framing is when artists use elements within the image to surround or highlight something important. It could be a doorway, a window, a shadow, or even a beam of light. The artist is literally pointing at the subject without using an arrow. Framing makes a subject feel contained, special, or even sacred. It draws attention. It gives weight and meaning to what's inside that visual frame. Let's play a game. I'll show you a painting, and you try to find the frame. Did you notice the doorway? The overlapping shapes? Framing is like using a spotlight. It doesn't scream, but it whispers, "This matters." In the next episode, we'll dive into something more subtle, negative space, and how silence can sometimes say more than words. So if you're loving this creative deep dive, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next chapter.